ask and interpret questions correctly in a relationship. You see, most of us were looking forward to what's your favorite food, what's your favorite color. Start asking the right questions. For example, instead of asking, what is your favorite food? What is your relationship with the food? That is the most important question. You'll never know. Maybe this person is a glutton or they have an eating disorder. Another question, what's your favorite color? Instead of asking, what's your favorite color? You can ask, how far do you think people should take colors in their homes? Can we do all color pink or all blue, or should we be wearing all blue? Our bedroom should be blue. That's what you should be asking. You see, so many of you are asking, uh, what's your view on kids? No, how many kids should we have? Okay, what kind of parenting do you think you are ready to apply? What should be our relationship? Our meaning me and you. Okay, or the two partners, what's our relationship with? What should be our relationship with our in-laws? Or to what extent should we bring other people into the relationship? You see, sometimes we think that just because you asked him, what's your favorite food? Now you know the person entirely. No, there's a lot that you don't know about food around him. And interpreting also answers to questions. It can mean that you're observing this person. For example, they might say that they have a healthy relationship with food, but then you go for a maybe for a lunch date or for ice cream, and then you realize, wow, this person, they eat too much. It's just that maybe their metabolism has not yet caught up with them. So those are the things that you need to look at. And don't say like, what's how much do you earn? How much do you earn is an important question, but what comes after how much do you earn is also more important. For example, what's your view on savings, or how do you save? What's your view on investments? How do you think we should make extra income? You see, all those questions, they are revolving around money. And asking one question that is just an umbrella will not give you the specific answers. All right. The other thing that you need to do is to observing how that person relates with money. For example, you have to observe how are they spending. If they get maybe $100 today, all of a sudden, how are they spending this money? Are they getting excited about money? Does it make them sad? How are they speaking about this money? Or you meet somebody with a Range Rover and they're like, all these people, they are devil worshippers, they're inhuman, they are this and this. What's their perspective about these things? Don't just ask the questions, also observe and learn. You see, ask them, instead of asking them, um, do you talk to your mother? No. How do you relate with your family? You see, sometimes the disrespect that might come later, you might not see it if you observed and you looked at the right thing at the right time. I do not mean they might not be talking to their parents, maybe because of what has happened before. You have to look at them. And sometimes it is not just about that moment. Maybe they are still healing and they will heal and get out of the situation. But you never know what they are doing to their family. They might do to you too. Please be careful about these answers that you're getting. Okay? You have to learn first. How do I interpret this? Meaning, you also have to grow so that you can interpret things right. Okay? It's not like when he tells you he hates kids and now you think it's just a face. Stop thinking and stop assuming things about people. If he does not like kids, just ask yourself, and maybe you have kids or you want to have kids, how will this affect your relationship? Are you sure this one is going to change with time? Please make sure that you're asking the right questions, interpreting things that you observe and things that you are told correctly, so that you can get into a situation knowing fully well what you're getting yourself into. Relationships can be easy or hard, depending on what you take it to be. Ask the right questions, observe, and interpret. Bye.